Hello and welcome to Learn Statistics class. In this class, we are going to learn the statistical concept in simple and more easy way. The topic of today's lecture is some standard discrete distribution. In this topic, we are going to learn a new distribution which is hypergeometric distribution. In hypergeometric distribution, we will discuss 2 points. The first point is definition of hypergeometric distribution, and second point is mean of hypergeometric distribution. So we will start with the first point, definition of hypergeometric distribution. A random variable x is said to follow hypergeometric distribution if its probability mass function is probability x equal to x is mcx multiplied by n minus m cn minus x divided by nc n, where x is 0, 1, 2 up to minimum of n and m. It is denoted as x follow h n m n. Now we will move to the next point, mean of hypergeometric distribution. If x is hypergeometric, then mean of hypergeometric is given by expectation x equal to summation x into px is equal to summation x into mcx n minus m c n minus x upon ncn. I shall take ncn outside the summation, so it is x into mcx n minus m c n minus x. Now we will simplify x into mcx, which is equal to x into m factorial divided by m minus x factorial into x factorial, which is equal to x into m minus 1 factorial upon m minus 1 minus x plus 1 factorial into x minus 1 factorial. I have rearranged the term, so here x get cancelled, and which is equal to m into m minus 1 c x minus 1. This term are combination of m minus 1 and x minus 1. Therefore, the expectation x become 1 upon n c n summation m into m minus 1 c x minus 1 multiplied by n minus m c n minus x, which is equal to m upon n c n summation m minus 1 c x minus 1 n c m c n minus x. But from permutation and combination, we know that summation of m c m minus 1 c x minus 1 into n minus m c n minus x is equal to n minus 1 c n minus 1. This is by the theory of combination. This is a mathematical part, and I will not go in detail in the mathematical part. If student want to learn how it comes, then refer to permutation and combination in detail. I will substitute this value in expectation x. Let me call it as equation 1 for our reference. By putting this value in equation 1, we get expectation x equal to m into n minus 1 cn minus 1 divided by ncn. Now we will simplify the combinations. We get n minus 1 factorial divided by n minus 1 minus n plus 1 factorial into n minus 1 factorial divided by n factorial upon n minus n factorial into n factorial, which is equal to this n minus 1 factorial and this n minus 1 factorial get cancelled, since plus 1 minus 1 get cancelled. So the remaining term are m n minus 1 factorial into n factorial upon n factorial multiplied by n minus 1 factorial. This n minus 1 factorial cancel with this n factorial, so remaining term is n, this m, and this n minus 1 factorial cancel with this n factorial, so there is remaining term is n. So the expected value of x, which is the mean of hypergeometric distribution, is equal to n into m divided by capital N. This is the mean of hypergeometric distribution. In the previous lecture we have learned many more discrete distributions in some standard discrete distribution. If student want to learn that distribution, then click on the I button at the top right corner of the screen, and link of that playlist is also given in the description box. Many more concepts are discussed on the Learn Statistics class. If a student want to learn all the topics, then go to the description box and share with your friends in order to learn the statistical concept in simple and more easy way. Students are requested to subscribe the Learn Statistics class in order to get notification of upcoming lectures in the upcoming days. We will meet in the next lecture with the next topic. Till then we will stop here. Thank you.